Extreme alert, flood watch. Flood watch for Nolan and 18 other areas. Active until Tuesday at 10 p.m. Sweetwater, Texas is under a flood watch. Heavy rainfall of 1 to 3 inches is expected. Follow instructions from local emergency management. Monitor local emergency channels for updates and instructions. Stay informed at skytime.live.